In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two sheets in Smartsheet. If you want information to move smoothly from one sheet to another, Smartsheet gives you several built-in ways to make that happen. The key is to first understand which two sheets you're working with and what kind of connection you want between them. Before setting anything up, open Smartsheet and locate the two sheets you want to connect. One sheet will usually act as the source where changes begin, and the other will be the destination where information is copied, moved, or updated. Having both sheets clearly identified at the start makes the rest of the setup much easier. Next, decide what action should move or update data between the sheets. This is an important part of the process because the connection depends on what you want the automation to do. For example, you may want rows to be copied when certain conditions are met, moved to another sheet when a task reaches a new stage, or updated so both sheets stay aligned. Taking a moment to define that goal helps you choose the right workflow and avoids unnecessary adjustments later. Once that's clear, go to the automation area in Smartsheet or use a connector such as Data Shuttle or Bridge if your setup requires a more advanced connection. The option you choose depends on how simple or complex the workflow needs to be. In many cases, standard automation is enough, but Smartsheet's connectors can help when you need more flexible data movement. From there, create a workflow with a trigger. The trigger is what tells Smartsheet when to act. It could be based on a row being added, a field being changed, or another event inside the sheet. After choosing the trigger, select the action you want the workflow to perform, such as copying rows, moving rows, or updating data. Be sure the action matches the goal you decided on earlier so the two sheets interact the way you expect. After the workflow is set up, test the automation using sample data. This step is essential because it lets you confirm that the trigger works properly and that the selected action happens at the right time. Use a few example entries that are easy to track, then watch what happens in both sheets. Finally, confirm that the second sheet updates correctly. Check that the right rows or values appear, that nothing is missing, and that the automation behaves consistently. Once everything looks right, your Smartsheet connection is ready to use.